Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing assembly video. Checking out the VECELO TV stand. This is for up to 75-inch televisions. And that's looking like that's our instructions there. So I take these out. Solid there. Hold me. It's definitely got that metal frame in there. Put a lot of stuff in there. VCRs, Xboxes, DVD players, PlayStations, Roku boxes. Got a lot of room for a lot of stuff. This is pretty wide here. A nice wood coloring here. I like the metal framing too. Definitely sturdy there. I'll put a lot of stuff on there. All right, my friends, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.